Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the iSCOOTER U3 folding electric bike. Stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on it. Okay then guys, let's take a look at this lovely little iSCOOTER U3 folding city electric bike. I checked the website this morning, these are currently £400, so absolute bargain at the moment. I will put a link in the description for you. I found it very easy to put together, it took less than half an hour, it's pretty much already done for you. It came very well boxed, it comes with everything you need, tools and charger and all that sort of stuff. It's got a 36 volt, 7.5 amp hour battery. They're quoting up to 40 miles. You probably would get that in level assist 1, be more likely to get sort of between 20 and 30 miles using the power of this. It's quite a small battery, but absolutely ideal for sort of short city hops and things like that. It's quite a fast charge on this, takes about 3 hours, which is really good. Quite small wheels on this, 16 times 1.75 tyres, but very nippy, whizzes along really well, good fun to ride this. So we have a folding mechanism there, just slide that up there, fold the bars down, adjustable bars as well, very easy to fold, just flip that up there and just pull that out there for your folding mechanism, so easy to fold, that's all good. Little front suspension, a couple of inches of travel there, gives quite a decent little ride. So single speed on this bike, so that's that. Display, hold down the M button for a few seconds to power it on. It shows you your speed or your trips, that sort of stuff. Volts, odometer, assist level 1, 2 and 3. That's all good. We've got lights, which is a nice little touch, front and rear. The rear light is a push, has a battery in it. So quite a nice little LCD display there. Does come with a throttle. Nice little bell. Mechanical disc brakes on this, but at this price you wouldn't expect anything different. Very comfortable seat, very well padded. You could easily ride this bike for over an hour. A very large range of rider. This goes right down to there, sort of does about 5 foot to well over 6 foot tall. Decent build quality for the money. Comes in this black and also a white. If you're after, you know, a budget city commuter, folding, easy to carry. I mean, I can pick this up really easily with just one hand. So you may want to take a look at one of these. I've reviewed quite a few of these city little e-bikes, and this one is a lot of fun and it's got good performance. Anyway, let's go for our test ride, shall we? iSCOOTER U3, let's try this out. We're just down here at Poole Harbour at the moment. We've got Cobb's Quay Marina over there, Hulls Bay. So we're just going to go around the harbour here, go down the cycleway over there, and then finish off with the final thoughts at the end there. So really nice little bike this, but capable of all different heights of riders, you know, short to tall. I'm 5'7" tall. I've got the seat nicely adjusted for myself, but plenty of room here. So if you were a taller person, no problem at all. So turn it on, hold the M button for a few seconds, it defaults to no assist. So we're just going to start off in level assist 1, single speed on this. So assist level 1, power comes in a few seconds, and even on this sort of like light track here, it's quite capable. So assist level 2's a bit nicer, sort of 9 miles an hour. Very smooth running. I mean, little tiny wheels on this, but they still do a good job. Anyway, let's take it over to the cycleway on the other side of the harbour. I've got it in assist level 3 now. Nice bit of performance, sort of 15-16 miles an hour. I mean, being a single speed, you do have to sort of ghost pedal a bit when you get to the slightly higher speeds, but it's a very, very pleasant little bike to ride. This, it's very nippy, very smooth, just generally great fun, great value for money as well. So we're just going over the new lifting bridge here in Poole Harbour. You have a little quick view of all the Sunseeker boats. And on we go. Right, just on the other side of the harbour now. Assist level 2, about 9-10 miles an hour. Assist level 3 is where you want to be with this, really. Goes along very nicely, about 15-16 miles an hour. It's all good. So far the little U3 I've been very impressed with. Main thing is it's lots of fun to ride, it's nippy, decent performance. We'll try it up a hill in a minute. Nice little riding position. It's very quiet and smooth. Right, we'll try the brakes out now, front and rear. Yeah, pretty decent, no problem at all for this sort of performance. Very, very nice, comfortable seat. I do like that. Let's see how this U3 handles this hill. It's about a 1 in 5, 20%. I'm currently in assist level 3, and it's absolutely flying up this little hill. So may only be 250 watts with a peak of 350, but this little bike has no problem at all climbing hills. So I'm only giving it about 20% power for my legs, so all good. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that little review on the U3. A very, very good value, decent performance, folding sort of mini city e-bike. Coming in at £400 at the moment, it's an absolute bargain. So it rides really nicely, very, very comfortable. Bars are nicely adjustable, seat for all different heights of riders. Decent performance from that rear hub motor there. Obviously you've got the convenience of folding there and there. All the display is very nice and easy to use. Power assist levels work nicely. Brakes are good. Particularly always like these grips that they have on all these bikes these days. It's really nice on your palm. All this can be taken off, bars can be taken off, bars fold down as well there on the mechanism there, so all good. The battery's in the frame there. It's not really removable. There are screws, you probably could remove it at a push, but it's not really everyday removable. Nice quality of ride, no rear suspension on it, but the front forks are quite good. All the crank, all the drivetrain's very smooth and quiet, no squeaks, no rattles. Got a front light there, comes with a front light and a rear light. I'd probably fit a little sort of saddlebag here if it was my sort of bike on an everyday basis. But yeah, there you go guys, iSCOOTER U3, a great little fun city commuter folding e-bike. So don't forget, post your comments down below please guys, give me a like, share and subscribe, and catch you again in a week or so for another review. Bye for now.